Hey guys, welcome back to VL InfoTech. Today in this video we will see the concept of strings. String is nothing but a group of characters. In this video we will see how to write a Python program to find I character indexes in the given word. So let's get started. First we will write the program and later on we will discuss the program. While writing the code we need to be careful while giving indentation spaces. Yeah, we are done. Now we need to save the file. Click on File, click on Save As. Now give any file name, like I'm giving index.py. We need to save the Python file with the extension .py. So file name dot with extension py. Now click on save. Yeah, file is saved and also we got Python file over here. Now we need to execute this Python program using command prompt. To open command prompt, click here and type cmd, and we need to give path. So cd space desktop, enter, dictionary, enter. Now give file name which we have saved just now, .py, enter. See, we got the output 1, 4, 7, 10. In these indexes, we have character I. I will copy paste the output. These are very simple programs. These are the basic programs in Python. In further videos, we will see more complex videos. So please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. This is the output. See, in the place of 1, 4, 7, 10, we have character I. Now we will see the output and code. In the place of 1, we have I. So 0, 1. So I is the character. So it printed 1. Now 2, 3, 4. Now 4. It is printed 4. 5, 6, 7. In the place of 7, we have I character. 8, 9, 10. So these are the indexes where we have I as a character. Index starts from 0. So we have to count from 0, 1, 2 like that. Now we will see the code line by line. This line of code is used to enter, like we have to give in which word we have to see the character. So I have given the word and later on I am giving I equal to -1. Now for C in S3. This is the character S3. So I am taking each character in that S3 word. So C in S3. After that it will enter the loop. Now it will increment the I by 1. After that it will check the condition if C equal I. Here C means each character in the word S3, right? So it will check each character equal to I. If that character equal to I, if this is true, then it will enter the conditional statement and it will print I. Here I means index value. So we are getting the all the indexes which are which character equal I. In this way we need to print the I character indexes. I hope everyone clear with this code. If you have any questions, please comment down below. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding, keep learning.